Guys, I'm going to run through some information. I'm going to show you guys what we're doing here, what the system is, and how you guys can participate. So let me go ahead, let me share my screen, and let's jump right into it, guys. But the name of the company is called AkashX. Now, before I jump into everything, guys, really what it comes down to, what people want in life is what? They want some more money, right? Everybody wants more money. If people tell you they don't want money, I don't know what to tell you. They're lying to you. Everybody wants more money. And the people that have money normally don't have any time because they're working all the time, right? So a lot of people want to get their time back. And then if you have time and if you have money, sometimes you just don't have a great lifestyle. Well, I'm going to show you with this platform how we can ace those three things for you guys and give that to you guys with this platform. So guys, AkashX, it's a first-class educational platform. It was launched in 2020. It's one of the best-selling brands here with NBC. Over 200 plus countries that we're doing business in. And for those of you guys that have absolutely no clue what trading is, basically, guys, trading makes up three big markets. We have the Forex market. It's the largest financial market. Over $7.5 trillion is being traded every single day. Over 10 million people trade Forex online. I'm sure by now you've heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba. That's the cryptocurrency market, guys. Over $1 trillion is traded there. And then everybody really knows about the stock market, right? You know Apple. You probably have an iPhone. You know Android. You know Google. You know Amazon. Well, guys, the stock market does another $1 trillion every single day in trading. Now, back in 2020, they did a survey, and it was found that hundreds of companies flooded the market that were trying to teach people how to trade, because when everybody was at home, everybody wanted to learn another skill set. And trading really grew its popularity. And then over the last couple of years, CNBC, Fortune, Forbes started doing articles saying that, hey, AI is about to wipe out 50% of the world's jobs in the next decade. So people need not only just a plan B, but something to really protect themselves, guys, from their job going away. So this, what we're going to show you, is exactly that. This is a skill set that you need to learn. This is a skill set that is worth learning. So guys, what is AkashX? How does it work? Really what happens, guys, is we just break this down into phases. Most of you that are completely brand new probably don't know anything about trading, and that is completely fine. We have in our first phase, guys, where you can literally just approve trades. Now, this is how it works. We have something called tap to trade. Everybody type TTT in the chat if you're listening, guys. Tap to trade is so simple. This is how it works. Basically, step one, all you got to do is just connect a broker to AkashX. So AkashX is the trading platform that you're going to connect your broker to. You can hook up a demo account. You can hook up a live account, any broker of your choice. But what we're doing for the next couple days is we're giving out a $25,000 prop firm challenge that you can hook up to tap to trade. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to help you pass that challenge with our team. And this is how it's going to work. You're going to get an alert. As soon as the team takes a trade, you're going to get an alert that's on your phone that you can literally just tap the notification. It's going to ask you if you want to approve that trade. All of the risk parameters are going to be done for you. All of the details that needs to be done in order to take the trade are going to be done for you. All you simply have to do is tap approve. If you feel like you can literally just tap approve, guys, go ahead, put tap in the chat, because here's what happens. Once you tap approve, now you're able to see your trades, right? You can go on MT4, MT5, or Trade Locker, and you're able to see the trades that happen in real time. So as soon as you tap approve, you can see the trades happening. Now, what happens is the team now will manage that trade for you. So you don't have to worry about closing it. You could just tap approve, put your phone away, come back, check the results later on. But if you want to watch your trade, you can exit early if you want to. But here are some of the results that have happened throughout the last couple of weeks, the last couple of months. We had someone that made a little over $200. We had another person that made over $1,500. Another person made almost $500. I'm going to tell you guys right now, obviously, we don't win every single trade that we take, but we're very conscious on the trades that we're taking. Our number one goal is to help people make profits in the market, because here's what we know. If people make money just tapping to approve, we know that they're going to want to learn this skill set. We know that they're going to want to actually go through and start to become a profitable trader themselves. So we know that phase two is where you're going to start to learn. And that's where the Academy comes into play. See, guys, we have over 200 plus videos that are only like 2-3 minutes long, but they break down the beginner, the advanced, the expert, and it's over 18 plus languages, guys, where you can literally go through at your own pace and become a profitable trader. And then we also have a step ahead of that, which is the Educator Academy, which each one of our educators, guys, that are profitable traders in the market go through their specific strategies. So you can watch how they trade, guys. You can go from 0 to 100 on exactly what they do. And you're able to go at your own pace. But once you've gone through their academy, you can even watch them live. So you can hop on their live session. Once you've learned their strategies, once you've gone through their academies, you can see them do it in real time. And this is where you can get your questions answered. This is where you can collaborate with them, because now that you know their strategies, when they call a trade, you're able to say, well, I just learned in the academy what you're doing. And it's going to give you confirmation that you learned the right stuff. So our live sessions are super, super powerful. Our trade alerts are something a little bit different than our tap to trades. These are where you're going to actually get an alert to your phone, and all you got to do is just copy from one app to another app, and you can manage your trade however you want. So if you're a little bit more of a long-term holder, you can do that. If you want to, short-term trade, you can do that as well. But that's like on your own. You can do your own analysis, guys. They'll give you the analysis that there is, but you kind of can manage your trade how you want through the trade alerts. And that's when you really start to become, which is phase 3, independent. See, we want everybody to go from where they are now and walk them through becoming an independent trader. And then once you become an independent trader, guys, we have scanners. We have over 8+ scanners that will literally scan the market for you. They'll look for profitable trade setups. So if you just want to trade in the morning, maybe in the middle of the day, maybe at night, it's up to you. You guys can trade whenever you want. We have scanners, we have tools, we have every single resource that you would need in order to read the market and make a profitable decision in the market. So guys, everything that I just talked about is not $500. It's not $1,000. It's not $5,000, guys. It's literally less than $200 to get started. It's $149. I mean, what are we talking about here? People spend that on a weekend. They spend that on going out to eat. We're talking about something that could be so life-changing for literally less than $200 decision. And on top of it, right now, over the next couple of days, if you make that decision to get started, they're also going to give you a $25,000 prop firm challenge that you can connect to Tap to Trade. So that is our membership. It is $150 a month, guys, to stay active. But as a thank you, the company allows you to waive that by just referring this to 3 people. So it's not 3 a month, it's not 3 a year, it's just 3 total. But not only you're going to waive your monthly fees, you're also going to earn another $120 on top of it, straight in cash to your actual bank account. Now, you can go farther than that, guys. You can refer more than that. Every person that you refer, you're going to make, $40. You could go to 4, you could go 5, you could go 6. You can and basically share this with as many people as you want. But every person that you share this with, guys, you're going to make a $40 commission. And if you grow a team to 10, might not be 10 that you know personally, but maybe you get 2 or 3, but that grows to 10. Well, you're going to make also $400 a month then every single month, whether you work or not. You're going to get paid what's called passive residual income. And we can help you grow that, guys. But that's really the first goal, right? Get your 3 and free, get your $120, waive your monthly fees, help that grow to 10, start making $400 a month, guys. But if you really want to take this thing serious, if you guys are on this call right now and you heard Noah at the very, very beginning, him talk about where this thing's going, what he's about to do, and you're listening to this right now and you're like, I'm ready to just go show the entire world. I want to build a massive, massive organization because I know every single person is going to want to be a part of this. Well, there's also a full compensation plan, guys, where the sky's the limit. You guys, it's unlimited income potential. And I'm going to kind of walk through really quickly the compensation plan, guys. We're going to go through a lot more at a later date. But guys, our compensation plan is very, very simple to understand. It's just 8 different ways that we get paid. One of the first ways that we get paid, again, is just based off of what you do. So if you sell something, you make money, right? If you sell a cell phone, you make commission. You sell a car, you make commission. You sell anything in life and you're a salesman, you make commission. Well, here, you sell AkashX, you make $40. Now, here's what's crazy. Remember the leverage part of this thing where Robert said, hey, you could also leverage other people and you can take advantage of the 95% of the world? Well, this is how it works. I'm going to give you guys a scenario real quick. Let's just say, hypothetically, You gave 1 hour a day to this business to go share it with other people, post on social media, and just find other people that maybe want to learn how to trade. And you just did it for an hour a day, and that equaled you getting 3 new customers to be a part of this. Again, you're going to make $120 and you're going to waive your monthly fees. Now, let's just say you taught those 3 to do the same exact thing, and they gave you an hour at each. And then that equaled them getting an additional 9 customers into your business. Well, guess what? Since you started it, you make another $72. Let's say the 9 did the same thing. Well, that would equal another 27 customers that joined your business, and you'd make another $175. That collectively, guys, would equal 40 people in your business. Now, this is where the leverage comes into place, because guess what? If 40 people just gave you 1 hour a day, guess what? That's a 40-hour day instead of a 40-hour week. Now, the way that you're going to build your organization, guys, is you have a left team and you have a right team. You're going to put a couple people left, couple people right. And if that grows, we also pay what's called a binary commission, where you guys can see there on the right-hand side, as your numbers grow, so does your income. But I'm going to talk about this right here, which is the income disclosure statement. And this is where, as you build your customer base, guys, this is the check that's going to come in every single month. They call it mailbox money. The best way I understood it is money that comes in for the work you did in the past. I'm like, yo, I want to get paid that way, because I know this. I can be temporarily motivated to be permanently lazy the rest of my life. I said, if I could just make enough money to cover my bills, cover my expenses, I could be financially free. And that's what this business does for you guys, because here's how it works. Let's say you just start with bringing in 10 people. You bring in 2 or 3, that grows to 10. That's 1K affiliate. That's $400 a month. Let's say the 10 though grows to 50 that are trading, that are having fun, that are seeing results. They're using Tap to Trade. Well, guess what? Now you're making $1,250. Let's say the 50 grows to 100. Now you're making $3,000. Let's say the 100 guys grows to 1,000. Now you're making $20,000 a month in the compensation plan, guys. I've been doing this thing for 12 years. This business, this industry. I've brought a couple hundred people up in my network to these types of things, but that has grown to tens of thousands of people all over the world. I have not worked a job in over 9 years because of this industry, guys. And I don't say that to impress you guys. I don't say that to brag, boast, or anything. I just say to say this: if it's possible for me, it's possible for you. Because guess what? I breathe the same air. I get up in the morning just like you guys do. I put on my clothes. I do my day exactly like you guys do. It's just that I made a decision that I wanted something different. I wanted to learn how to trade, but I also wanted to make residual income.
He's, like I said, he's 24, and his story is really, really powerful, because he was able to quit his job because of AkashX, his team, and TradeX Mastery. And watch this, it's pretty cool.
Yo, what up? It's Forex Sweezy, and I want to give a big shout out to AkashX and TradeX Mastery for equipping me and every single member that joins the family with the right equipment and tools to succeed in this industry. And I'm blessed that I was a part of this by May 2024. By the time of June 1st, I was a funded trader with TradeX Mastery, utilizing the tools that was given to me by AkashX. The tap to trades, easy money. The signals by the professional traders, the live streams, the different strategies. Give it a little time, I was a funded trader. June and July, 2 months, I was able to generate over $15,000 from the comfort of my home by the time I wished for, because I'm free like that.
Guys, I want you guys to hear from her testimony. She, if I'm not wrong, and maybe she'll tell us in a minute, she has withdrew over $22,000 from her TradeX account because she just, what's it called? Beat cancer. She just beat cancer yesterday or the day before?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yep.
She just freaking beat cancer. Tell us a little bit about how or why have you been able to make $22,000? And is there any secret you can share?
It was actually, I'm close to 27,000.
Okay, so I'm wrong. It's not 22.
Yeah. Good way. You're wrong in a good way. I started with a couple things. When I started trading, I started with 0.10%. I went with that percentage for about 2 months. Once I was comfortable, I did increase my percentage to each trade to 0.25. and I have not moved from there. I do not change my percentage at all. And I always trade with the same percentage. The other thing I do is I only take Joel's trades. I don't take anybody else's trades. It's not because I don't, it's just a preference that I do. I never close a tap to trade. I always leave it open. It's either stop loss or TP or until Joel closes it, because I'm trusting Joel and he knows way more than I do. So when I take a tap to trade, I know we can lose it. And if we lose a couple in a row, oh, we've also won a lot in a row. And the proof is in the pudding, $27,000 since
That's crazy.
December, late
Since
December.
December.
December 17th was my first withdrawal. Yeah. The other thing I do is if I have $1,000 to withdraw, I withdraw it and I don't trade until I get the money back in my wallet, and then I'll go back. So I don't risk any profit either.
Now, I'm going to ask you two questions. One, in this month of February, how much did you withdraw?
Let
Or
me-
have you withdraw, because I know we still got a couple days.
So on week one, I withdrew. Oh, in total, I withdrew $11,000,
So this month of February.
this month. Yeah, my goal for this month was 9,500.
So you went over your goal.
I went
Okay.
over my goal.
And then last thing, like what is your family feedback on this? Do they know?
My husband, I've been trying to learn how to trade for a couple of years now, and I just never had success with it. And I just told my husband I just bought an account, and he was just like, okay, whatever. Like, he didn't believe me. And then I started withdrawing. $500, $500, $500, and then when I increased the percentage on each trade, and I was able to take out 1,000, and then another 1,000, and then he was just mind blowing. And our goal is to get him out of concrete by the end of the year. Thanks to Tap to Trade, thanks to you, thanks to AkashX, thanks to TradeX Mastery. Yeah, because
Okay. Well, this is awesome. I know we're gonna get your husband out of concrete, and he's gonna be tapping as well.
Yep.
It's gonna be PTT and TTR pretty soon.
And thanks to all this, we're going on a Hue Cancer trip in August. And it was supposed to be my husband and I, but thanks to Tap to Trade, we're able to afford to take our kids.